Hey guys, this is Sanjaleeta. Welcome to my channel. Sorry, I look a bit messy today on the hair part, but it's okay. I'm not doing much, and I just only did my makeup just to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So so I have a full video of that on how I do my eyebrows. So yeah, do check it out. One of my subscribers had requested, well, she said, hey, I saw you do your last makeup video and she didn't see how I did my eyebrows, and I thought I already had videos of it and I just didn't want to waste my time doing it and making the video longer. But I did go back on my videos, and no, there's not any real tutorial of me, doing my eyebrows where you could see me do the whole thing and how I cleaned it up in the end and all that stuff. So this is how I do it. So keep watching. And it may not be how you do it, and everyone does it different. This is how I do it, and this is how it always comes out in the end, and it lasts. And this is the stuff I use. It's TattooStudio gel. I've been using this for, not this one, but I've been using this stuff for like probably 6 months now, and I haven't changed anything yet, and I just like how this works. It stays on and doesn't move. I touch my face a lot, my hair and everything, it doesn't budge at all. So it stays in place and it looks nice, I think. Let me know what you guys think. All right, keep watching. So this is what my eyebrows look like without anything on them, which I don't have much, and I don't have to do much plucking either because there's not much left. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So this is the one that I use. It's called TattooStudio by Maybelline, and this is in the deepest color. So it's like a deep dark brown, almost blackish color. So yeah, so let's get into it and start applying, and that way you can see how I do my eyebrows. I thought I had a video of it, but I guess I didn't. And one of my subscribers wanted to know how I did my eyebrows, and she's from my she's actually carnivore also, so we're in a carnivore group, so we are only meat eaters. So anyway, so let's get started. So this is what the applicator looks like. It is very thick, and for some of you it might be too thick, and for me I think it's perfect because I need thick eyebrows. So I'm looking at my mirror here, so hopefully nothing's gonna be blocked off and you guys will be able to see everything. And just note that I am not a professional eyebrow person. I just need eyebrows. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but this is how I do it. And this is a gel. It says it lasts up to 24 hours, and it does. It doesn't get smudged or anything, but once you use makeup remover on it, it's gone. It's history. So you see that? Super dark. And then I get the little brush here and just kind of, first I'm going to comb it this way, and I'm going to go around with the Q-tip to clean up. Sorry, my face is turned too much. The hairs are super long. They probably need a trim. I'm probably the most messy eyebrow person in the world, but they always come out good in the end. Then I'll get my Q-tip. I wish I could do everything on camera here, but I just can't see. I need my close-up mirror. It's right here. Clean around, and as you're cleaning around, twirl your Q-tip. So you're gonna get stuff on it. You're gonna get makeup on it. You may have to go around with a little bit concealer or powder, but I don't always have to. Everything looks okay to me. Okay, so one is done. Let's work on the other guy. And just to let you guys know, I do not like the eyebrow, I mean not the eyebrow, the ombre eyebrows. I've talked to a few makeup artists and they say that is not a natural look. So, and yeah, I got the tips from some pretty good makeup artists. They're like, who has ombre eyebrows? Like, really? You could comb your hair up too if you want, but my hair is super long and I didn't trim it. So let me get a clean Q-tip. I just usually leave it long just because I don't have that much hair and I just don't want to take out any more. But yeah, I like how this works better than the pencil, better than everything, just because I don't have any hair, so, or not much hair at all. It looks like it's coming back though. I don't know if it's carnivore or what the deal is, but yeah, it looks like the hair is coming back, but not as thick. I used to have very thick eyebrows, like my dad, kind of bushy eyebrows, but yeah, they're gone. They fell out. It's a hormonal thing. We ladies understand, so yeah. Just gonna clean around it. Okay, so I finished cleaning it up, and you guys seen how I did it. And just go around with the Q-tip. You want to do it while it's still wet because it dries really fast. So just kind of go around, you know, and just kind of smooth it out. It's already all smoothed out. Now with my eyebrows, this is my natural shape. There's not much I could do to it because this is the shape it is. You kind of see this one might come down a little bit. It's not really that hard to tell, but yeah, you can see. And this one doesn't. So I just follow my natural shape. I'm not changing anything about it. Makeup is about enhancing not your beauty, not changing anything about your face. You know, I mean, if I want, I think I could probably shave off some of that and just kind of make everything look good, look even, but I'm not going to do that. So I just kind of go over what I have natural. And yeah, so that's about it. And yeah, so that's how I do my eyebrows. Once again, I think that TattooStudio thing is about $11 or $12. You could get it anywhere. Get it on Target. You could get it. I ordered it this time on Amazon because I wasn't gonna go to Target anytime soon, and they do that next day shipping. So I had it at my door the next day. I wasn't gonna go to the store just for one thing. But yeah, so that's what I use for now. If anything else changes, I'll let you guys know. But so far, this is what works. This is what darkens my natural eyebrows. Still make them look natural. Like I said, I don't do the ombre effect because, like I said, I did talk to a few makeup artists and they say that that is just not natural. I mean, who has ombre eyebrows? I mean, it's either all dark or light or whatever, but you know, as long as it's cleaned up around. And like I said, my hair doesn't grow anymore below this because I don't know if it's from age too. I think it's from waxing because, you know, every time they yank it out of there, I think they just pull out all the follicles and it just kind of stops growing. I don't know, but yeah, so this is how I do my eyebrows. I think her name is Elizabeth. She suggested, she wants to know how to do eyebrows, so I thought I had a video there, so actually I don't. So here it is. This is for you, Elizabeth, my carnivore friend. So yeah, so this is how you do it. I'm not perfect at it. I'm sure everyone does it different, but this is how I do my eyebrows, and it always comes out good. So anyways, you guys have a very good day. Stay blessed. I just wanted to do this short video for Elizabeth, and whoever else wants to know how I do my eyebrows, this is how I do my eyebrows. And they're definitely different. You know, I do have a lot of space from here to here, and that's just how I was born. So everyone's different. Some people do not have much space. I mean, their eyebrows are like down here, and this is all the eyelid they have, but I have a lot of space. I don't think my mom had it, and I don't think my dad had it. So I just remember my dad's eyebrows being really bushy, and he had small eyes. And here I am with the big eyes, big eyelid space, and yeah. So anyways, we're all different, and we're all beautiful and unique in our own ways. So you guys have a very blessed day. And I shall see you in maybe tomorrow. I think I'm going to do a video tomorrow, so we'll see. All right, guys, take care. Bye. Oh, one more thing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I know you guys are watching because I'm getting like tons of views, but my subscribers, they're coming, but they're coming real slow. So I know you're watching it. Just hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. All right, guys. Bye.